Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect a domain name on Systeme.io. Now, Systeme.io is great if you want to go, it's all-in-one marketing platform. And if you want to go and sell your courses here or build funnels or really anything, this is a great platform to do just that. So obviously you can do a lot of different things, but in this tutorial, I will just show you how to connect your domain name. So first of all, go to your settings here. From settings, what you will need to do is you will need to go here to custom domains. Now from custom domains, you can add a domain, and here you will need to add a new domain right here. You can read this article to learn how to set up a custom domain. So if you click on it, you can see here that this is basically how you will be able to go and add a domain. Now you will need to go to DNS configuration for your domain. I'm showing you this because I'm not going to connect this domain directly, but if we click save here, as you can see, domain must begin with www. So just go here and do that. And then as you can see here, basically you will need to go through the entire process of setting up that domain. So you will need to go through the DNS section here, configuration for your domain. So make sure you add your CNAME records and everything, using the, where you're hosting your domain. And as you can see right here, DNS configuration for your domain. Here you can read this article to learn how to set up domain properly. But you will need to put this CNAME into your Namecheap, GoDaddy, or wherever you are recording, or not recording, but whenever you are connecting your domain name on. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.